Di-temperature di bedile magareng ga digrata tše 36 ka Durban, ebile letšatši le le botse la go ithabisha go orela letšatši le go ipsina ka ditiragalo tša lebopong. Le ge e be se letšatši la tlwaelo go swana le mengwageng ya go feta moo batho ba tlalago mabopong, go bao ba kgonnego go fihla ba bile le letšatši le le botse.
There was a bit of a shock when the president said that the beaches are going to be closed on certain days. Well, we had a bit of a problem thinking maybe on the dates that we are going to be here at the beach is going to be closed. But then now it's open and we're having fun.
Today, I think the people are behaving themselves. There's a good amount of social distancing, and I think people are enjoying themselves and in a very controlled way. So I'm very happy with what I'm seeing today.
Le ge morero mogolo e le go keteka leuba la COVID-19 a lo tlogele morago, bontši ba thwabiša ke ka moo go tšewa go magato a polokego ka gona. Ba bangwe ba na le molaetša go mopresidente.
It would have been awesome to have the president swimming with us here in the beach. A great day to be here today, Mr. President. You should have been here.
I'd like to say to the president, thanks for the heads up and keep doing a good job. We're really proud of you as a president, and for me, it's tough to be in your seat, but I'm saying heads up, big up. You're doing an amazing job with your team.
So we didn't go in, and then on the 26th also, but we were just sitting around here. But yeah, it was quite like not normal. But yeah, today they've opened for us. So yeah, we're feeling happy because we've been waiting for this moment for long.
A go dipego tša go nwelela go ba go gangwa ke metse tšeo di begilwego, makala a phethagatšo a molao a gare go lekola seemo go ralola le mabopo.